Hello everyone. Now we are going to see how to grant badges to our employees, set up challenges and assign goals. Challenges are missions that an employee can create and assign them to their teammates. Goals, which are assigned through challenges to evaluate the employees. We can grant various badges of achievement which can be used to indicate the targets and goals achieved by an employee. For this, we'll have to go to the employees. This is the view of the employees we have. Under configuration, we have badges. We can view all the existing badges here. We can also create a new one by clicking on this create option here. We can also import the badges using our import option here. If we want to grant this badge, we can click on this grant option directly. And we can choose our employees here. We can also add our notes here. And then we'll have to click on this grant badge here. Now we can see that the badge is granted to our employee. For creating a new badge, we'll have to click on this create option here. We'll have to mention the name of the badge here. If we have any notes, we can add it here. We could choose the allowance to grant from this drop down we have. If it is allowance for everyone, then we can choose it as everyone, or if it is for selected set of users, we can choose it from the other options we have. Then if it is limited for monthly sending, then we can check in this option, and the limitation numbers can also be specified. Now we have no limits here. We can add the rewards for challenges too. After filling out the necessary details, we can click on the save option here. So if we want to grant this badge, we can click on this grant this badge option and again choose our desired employee and grant badge. So under employees, we can view the badge details. Under received badges, we can see the badges received by this particular employee here. Now, for creating a new challenge, we'll have to go under configuration and under challenges. We can see the existing challenges we have here. We can assign the challenges to our employees and the periodicity can be mentioned here. The display mode, if it is individual or leaderboard, can be chosen here. The responsible person should be added here. And we can allocate specific goals for this challenge which can be defined under this. Next, we can grant reward for every succeeding user, for first and second user. If we want, we can add it for the third user too. We want to reward a person. If not succeeded to, we can check in this option too. Then under advanced options, if we want to suggest this challenge to any users, then we can do it here. Then the report frequency can also be specified. If it is weekly, or we can choose it from this drop down we have. Then under related goals, we can view the progress of the goals here. For creating a new challenge, we can click on the create option here. We can add the challenge here. Then we can add the employees we want to add this to the challenge. And the responsible user, the start and end date of the challenge can be mentioned. Then the goals that we are going to add can be added here. And the target value can be specified. Next, under rewards, we can grant the reward for every succeeding user, first user, etc. We can grant rewards for every succeeding user and the first user. And the other users too. if we want to reward the best if not succeeded to, we can check in this option here. After filling out the necessary details, next under advanced options, if we want to suggest this to users, we can choose it from this drop down here. And we could also set up the notification messages and the report frequency here. After filling out these details, we can click on the save here. To start this challenge, we'll have to click on the start challenge. And now the challenge is in progress. Now, under goals history, we could view the history and progress of the goals. That's how we create challenges and assign goals and then grant badges to our employees using Seedor. Thank you.